Hi guys, how's it going? And welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be styling up a few different outfits with combat style boots. Now, apologies if I am talking funny, I just have my Invisalign in. Usually I take it out for videos, but today I didn't. These are the combat style boots right here. Now these are honestly my most worn boots in my entire wardrobe, I would say. Last winter I wore them literally every day. They're just great everyday kind of boots that you can just slide on and go, and they're super comfortable. I do a lot of walking around the city, so for me that's something that I need. These are the ones I'm going to be styling up. I just got these secondhand from thredUP. The brand is Wanted, in case any of you guys were interested. So we're gonna get started with the first outfit. So what I wanted to do with all of these outfits was just show you guys super basic things that you could do with pieces that you probably already have in your wardrobe. So if you have more of a capsule minimalistic wardrobe, then you could definitely recreate any of these looks, and that's exactly what I wanted to show you. For this first outfit here, I'm pairing it off with a black mock neck top. This is a great staple for any wardrobe, and I just accessorized with a simple necklace. I'm actually going to be wearing the same necklace throughout all of the outfits just to keep things super easy. And then I have a pair of distressed boyfriend style denim, and I thought the boots went really well with an outfit like this just because you have the distressing, which kind of keeps it on trend with like the combat like edgier style boots as well. And I do love the balance between the black top and the black boots as well, paired alongside the lighter denim. As for my handbag here, I paired it with a cognac brown colored handbag. I thought this was extremely cute, and I love that it's different than the black. You could go for a black handbag, but I really love pairing brown and black off together. So that is the first outfit. Super easy. So the next outfit that I wanted to share with you guys, this one is an all black look. I'm a huge sucker for an all black look, and I thought this was a fun way to style up the like biker style boots. So I am wearing a longer black blazer, and I'm wearing a pair of black shorts underneath here as well, but I love like that longer blazer look, and I just cinched in my waist a little bit with a belt, which is also super trendy at the moment. And having the combat boots along with that, I think is a great outfit because it's kind of like a little bit classier and polished on top, and then you have that little bit of edge on your footwear. So yeah, underneath the blazer I just have like a really simple black bralette, and then as well as the same necklace. And then I thought a red handbag would add a nice little pop of color against the all black look, and I'm also wearing a pair of tights here as well since we are getting into the colder weather. The next outfit, I'm wearing a slip dress here. So slip dresses are a great item to pair off with combat boots. It's mixing like a little bit more of elegance, a little bit more girly with that piece of edge, and I find they just balance each other out so nicely. If you don't want to go full dressed up with any look, adding a pair of combat boots just makes you seem a lot more casual. It's quite effortless. I ended up knotting it up too just to give it a little bit more of that casual vibe, and I popped a blazer on over top just because it's a little too cold to just be wearing just a slip dress out at this time of year. So I'm wearing like a blush nude colored blazer with that, as well as my nude handbag. So that's another option for styling up the combat boots. I think, you know, a slip dress with some sort of blazer or something to cover your shoulders if it is a little bit cooler outside, then that is a perfect little outfit right there. This next outfit is one of my favorite ways to style up a pair of combat boots, and that's with something floral or like a flowier midi skirt. If you have any floral dresses or floral skirts, anything like that, or I even thought about pairing this off with my leopard print skirt. I love just like a longer length skirt with a pair of boots like that for the fall. They go seamlessly into the colder months. So I have the floral print skirt, and then I decided to pair that alongside just a very basic sweater. So a plain basic sweater with the necklace as the little bit of detail and jewelry accent, as well as the combat boots on the footwear, and a black bag here as well. So I paired the black bag and the black boots just so we have a balance with the black, because the rest of the outfit we don't really have any black going on, and the sweater is quite light. So I thought it all balanced out really nicely. For this last outfit, I'm wearing a pair of plaid pants here, and I just rolled them up around the ankle a little bit just so that we could see where the boots go to, and I think that's a really effortless way that you could style it and still have the impact of the boots there. So same with the outfit I wore with the jeans. I had it rolled up around the ankle, and I think that really helps to show off the boots and not have your pant like draping over top of them, because that might look a little bit clunky, I guess. And for this look, I went with a very basic white t-shirt with the necklace over top. And you could just wear your outfit completely like this and it would look super cute. But I thought, you know, topping it with a blazer or some sort of overcoat, even like a moto jacket, your faux leather jacket, something like that can really help to add an extra layer and change things up a little bit. And then my red handbag here as well, because I think the red just helps to add a pop of color and a little bit of a statement since the rest of the outfit is quite basic. I love adding a little bit of edge to any of my looks, and when I was in high school I actually had quite an edgy style. Like one year I was like half rocker chick. I went through a lot of different style phases in high school, but one of the years I was definitely part rocker chick. Yeah, I have a soft spot for that edgy, or any edgy piece really, in my wardrobe. So yeah, I think you can really play around with it. They really do mix in with like classic pieces like blazers or more elegant girly pieces like floral or slip dresses, anything like that, and you can just mix and match and have some fun. I really did just want to give a little bit of inspo. Hopefully any of these outfits have inspired you to switch it up with your wardrobe too and see how you can pair them in different ways. So yeah, that wraps it up. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite outfit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!